the butter into the bowl and mix it with the brownie mix. Step 3. Add 1 egg and some milk. Step 4. Add some oil. Step 5. Pour the mix into a tray and put it into the oven. Step 6. Don't forget, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Step 7. Bake for 30 minutes. Don't forget to use a mitten. Step 8. Take out your brownie. Time to cut the brownie into pieces. Now they look finished. They look yummy. Thank you for watching the Coaching English channel. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching the Coaching